What is a palindrome? A palindrome is a word, number, phrase, or other sequence of symbols that read the same backwards as forwards.
Palindrome phrases. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama. Able was I ere I saw Elba. Do geese see God? Madam, I'm Adam. Never odd or even. No lemon, no melon. Rats live on no evil star. Step on no pets. Was it a car or a cat I saw? Go hang a salami, I'm a lasagna hog. Mr. Owl ate my metal worm. Murder for a jar of red rum. Evil olive. Amore Roma. My Jim. Top spot. Sit on a potato pan, Otis. Ah, Satan sees Natasha. Cigar? Toss it in a can. It is so tragic. Did Hannah see bees? Hannah did. You, banana boy. Borrow or rob? Eva, can I see bees in a cave? Poor Dan is in a droop. Oozy rat in a sanitary zoo. Sir, I demand, I am a maid named Iris. A dog, a panic in a pagoda. Dennis sinned. Doc, note, I dissent. A fast never prevents a fatness. I diet on cod. Drab as a fool, aloof as a bard. Draw, O coward. Egad, a bass tone denotes a bad age. God, a red nugget, a fat egg under a dog. I, man, am regal, a German am I. If I had a hi-fi. Lewd did I live, and evil I did dwell. Lid off a daffodil. Lived on decaf, faced no evil. Lisa Bonet ate no basil. Lonely Tylenol. Ma is as selfless as I am. May a moody baby doom a yam? Name now one man. Naomi, I moan. No devil lived on. Not a banana baton. Now I see bees. I won. Won't lovers revolt now? Don't nod. Ma has a ham. Was it Elliot's toilet I saw? Egad, no bondage? We panic in a pew.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.